It's been a while since I've come back from a vacation, but all those hours in the sun leave my skin feeling super rough and damaged. I needed a fix that was going to improve the texture of my skin. So this time I decided to try Ayurveda. So I started applying Kama Ayurveda's Nalpamaradi Thailam. It's 100% natural Ayurvedic oil that helps illuminate the skin. It has powerful ingredients like turmeric, vetiver and sesame oil and a bunch of others. As much as I love the sun, I don't like my tan lines. And this Nalpamaradi oil reduces pigmentation and evens out my skin tone, leaving the texture of my skin more supple, healthy and glowing. And that's why I'll be adding this to my weekly regime. This is the power of Ayurveda. And I'm feeling good.